Mastering asymmetry, the best uneven hip exercises for strength and stability. When it comes to building a strong and stable lower body, focusing on uneven hip exercises can be a game changer. These exercises not only target specific muscles, but also improve overall balance and functional strength. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, athlete, or someone looking to enhance daily mobility, integrating these exercises into your routine can yield significant benefits. Here's a guide to some of the best uneven hip exercises you should consider. 1. Side lunges. Improves hip mobility and strengthen the inner and outer thigh muscles. They also help in improving balance and stability. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Step out to the side with one leg, bending the knee while keeping the other leg straight. Lower your body until your thigh is parallel to the ground. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. 2. Single leg squats, pistols. Improves unilateral leg strength and balance. They challenge the core muscles and improve overall stability. Stand on one leg with the other leg extended in front. Lower your body by bending the knee and hips, keeping your extended leg off the ground. Aim to lower until your thigh is parallel to the ground, then push through the heel to return to the starting position. 3. Single leg bridges. Improve glute activation and hip stability. They also enhance core strength and help correct muscle imbalances between the legs. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift one leg off the ground, extend it straight in front of you. Push through the heel of the foot on the ground to lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat on the other leg. 4. Standing hip abduction adduction. Improve hip stability and strengthen the muscles responsible for moving the legs in and out. They help correct muscle imbalances and improve overall lower body strength. Use a resistance band or body weight for resistance. For hip abduction, stand with feet hip-width apart. Lift one leg out to the side against resistance, then return to starting position. For hip adduction, stand with the resistance band around your ankles. Cross one leg over the other, then lift the leg against resistance, then return to starting position. Tips for incorporating uneven hip exercises. Warm-up. Always warm up before performing uneven hip exercises to prepare your muscles and joints for the movements. Focus on form. Pay attention to proper form and technique to maximize the effectiveness of each exercise and reduce the risk of injury. Progress gradually. Start with lighter resistance or body weight only, then gradually increase intensity and resistance as your strength improves. Balance both sides. Perform exercises evenly on both sides to maintain balance and prevent muscle imbalances. Incorporating the best uneven hip exercises into your fitness routine can enhance muscle strength, improve balance, and boost overall stability. Whether you're aiming to enhance athletic performance, recover from an injury, or simply improve daily mobility, these exercises provide targeted benefits that contribute to a stronger, more resilient lower body. Embrace the challenge of asymmetrical movements and enjoy the transformative effects on your fitness journey.